We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with everyone, whether they are new or returning. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.